Ensure the scraper clears the entire section.
Already on it. I'll log the volume once it hits the pit.
Manifest confirms 50 units. Seals are secure. Dispatch authorized.
The pressure is stable now. All valves secured. Good. Let's test the stove connection inside.
We have completed the installation, sir. Please try the stove.
The flame is strong. This is much better than the old system.
Ensure the scraper clears the entire section.
Already on it. I'll log the volume once it hits the pit.
Check the tension on that bolt, John.
Feels secure now. Let's power it up.
Thumbs up, flow rate is normalizing.
콜라보니까 끝났던 보리코나 까미 너무 깜깜해 하라 낙점 나오다가 뱃선 남나이다
The consistency is holding steady.
Agreed. The target level is met. Pressure holding steady at 50 bar. Confirmed. Data logged. We can move on to the next station.
Okay, opening the valve now. Clear condensation, just as expected. I'm noting the flow rate. Cycle complete on manifold 1.
Confirmed. Seals are holding tight.
We're within parameters now.
Acknowledged. The flow is steady.
Look at this reading here on the gauge. It's fluctuating more than usual. I'll try adjusting the valve slightly.
Okay, opening the valve now. Clear condensation, just as expected. I'm noting the flow rate. Okay, steady now.
Pressure stabilized at the target level. I've logged it. Check the methane levels on reactor 3. Make sure the pressure holds steady.
Purity levels are optimal across the board.
Confirmed. The adjustments stabilize the CO2 trend perfectly.
The pressure on gauge 3 is fluctuating again.
I see the trend here. It's stabilizing after adjustment.
Good. Let's keep the flow rate steady for the next hour.
Did you confirm the startup sequence on the checklist?
Yes. Step 4 is complete. The flow rate is stable.
The moisture level is stable right here.
Yeah. And the flow rate looks consistent as well.
Excellent. Let's log that.
Yeah.
Check the pressure on manifold 3. Reading steady at 200 bar. Logging the data now.
The sensor response time is holding steady at 2 seconds.
Noted. The calibration is still good.
Sequence initiating now. Monitor the pressure.
All connections are solid. No leaks detected. The M2M reactor temperature is spiking past tolerance.
I'm showing a pressure drop here on the auxiliary schematic.
Batch code 4B-GD7 confirmed.
Data logged. Everything checks out for the cow dung biogas. The batch number is clear. Make sure it's only the cow dung biogas cylinders.
Yes, understood. We are ready for the next set. Pressure lines checked and secured.
Confirmed on the checklist. Ready to initiate filling sequence for the biogas cylinders.
Hold it right there. Now bring it down easy. All right, that's good. Pull away.
All right, that's 5 cow dung biogas cylinders loaded. Please sign here on the tablet.
Confirmed. Thank you. We will see you next week.
Solid. That's not going anywhere. Good. Log it.
Careful with the new biogas shipment. Ensure the manifold is properly connected before transfer.
Manifest confirms 50 units. Seals are secure. Dispatch authorized.
The optimized route for the biogas delivery is showing green across the board.
Excellent. I'll dispatch the next load immediately. We are clear on the north side.
The system is completely leak-free. The biogas flame is burning strong and steady.
Watch the ramp.
Okay, tilting now.
Clear below.
All right, turning it on now.
Looks good. Nice steady flame.
The pressure is stable now. All valves secured. Good. Let's test the stove connection inside.
Check the real-time update on the Look Now route. They just passed the checkpoint.
Excellent. The conveyor is clear for the next run of cylinders.
Make sure the pressure gauge is checked on every cylinder.
I am doing that right now. Move that pallet to row 4.
We can fit 2 more on this row. Okay, I'll bring the next pair over now.
This one is secure. Okay, check. Move to the main hose. All right, pressure looks good here too.
We need to clear this row before the next delivery.
All right, I've got the dolly ready.
Make sure the biogas cylinders are secured properly.
Set it right here, centered. Got it. Looks good. Let's get the next one.
Biogas shipment manifest is accurate. Verified on your end?
Yes, confirmed. All documents match.
Great. Signing off now.
Cap is secure, seal verified.
Okay, marking this one passed.
The flow rate stabilized after the adjustment.
Good. Let's keep an eye on the pressure differential.
Okay, easy now. Watch the gap. Right here? Right here? Perfect. Secure it.
Ensure the regulator is securely fastened before opening the
We're
valve.
getting great. And always check the pressure gauge readings here.
The flow rate stabilized at 200 cubic meters. Should I log that?
Yes, that matches the expected output for this cycle.
Pressure looks good here, and the connection is secure.
All right, I've got it checked off. We are cleared for shipment.
Methane levels are reading 0% LEL. The system check is complete for this unit.
This is the performance of the cow dung biogas. We have excellent control over the heat and it burns very cleanly.
These are the new safety caps for the cow dung biogas cylinders.
Make sure they are secured properly before transport.
The pressure looks good here.
Yes, the flame stability is perfect now.
Okay, lowering it now. Looks good, right in the lines.
To the left, slowly now. Okay, it's secure. Let's get the next one. Put the green ones here.
How many left on the truck?
About 10 more.
Here is your sealed cow dung biogas cylinder. Remember to check the pressure gauge right here and ensure the area is well ventilated when in use.
We have completed the installation, sir. Please try the stove.
The flame is strong. This is much better than the old system.
It smells wonderful. Yes, the food is cooking perfectly with the biogas. The pressure is very stable, ensuring reliable flow. And the stove connects directly, providing this strong, clean blue flame for efficient cooking.